Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we'll discuss on essential concept in ISO 21930 system boundaries. Defining system boundaries is crucial when we assess a product's environmental impacts because it sets the framework for what's included and excluded in the analysis. What are system boundaries? In simple terms, system boundaries define the limits of what processes and activities are part of the lifecycle assessment or LCA. When creating an Environmental Product Declaration or EPD under ISO 21930, deciding on system boundaries means identifying the specific stages in a product's life cycle that will be included in the environmental impact analysis. These stages generally include raw material extraction. This is the beginning of life phase, where resources are extracted or harvested. Production. This covers all manufacturing activities that convert raw materials into the final product. Transportation and distribution. This includes the movement of raw materials, semi-finished goods, and finished products from one location to another. Use. This refers to the environmental impacts that occur when the product is in use. End of life stage. This includes disposal, recycling, or reuse, covering the environmental impacts as the product's life cycle concludes. Why are system boundaries important? System boundaries are essential because they establish what impacts are considered in the assessment, which directly influences the accuracy and relevance of an EPD. If boundaries aren't consistently defined, comparing the environmental impacts of two products can be misleading, as one product's EPD might cover a longer or shorter life cycle than the other. ISO 21930 provides guidelines to help organizations set clear system boundaries, promoting consistency across different EPDs so that stakeholders can make informed decisions with confidence. Types of system boundaries in ISO 21930. ISO 21930 generally categorizes system boundaries in three main ways. Cradle to gate. This boundary covers the product from raw material extraction up to the point it leaves the production facility. It's useful for products that are intermediate goods like building materials, which will be further processed or assembled. Cradle to grave. This boundary extends from raw material extraction through the entire life cycle, including production, transportation, use, and end-of-life stages. This is the most comprehensive boundary and provides a full picture of a product's environmental impact. Cradle to cradle. This boundary is similar to cradle to grave but with a focus on products designed for recycling or reuse at the end of the life, aiming for zero waste and maximum sustainability. How to set appropriate system boundaries? ISO 21930 encourages companies to choose system boundaries based on the intended use of the EPD. For example, if a product is likely to be reused or recycled, a cradle-to-cradle approach may be more suitable. For products that are not expected to have significant use phase impacts, such as construction materials, a cradle-to-gate approach might be sufficient. System boundaries should also consider relevant environmental impacts like energy consumption, greenhouse gas emissions, and water use. It's essential to be transparent about what's included and excluded to ensure that anyone reading the EPD has a clear understanding of what's being measured. In summary, defining system boundaries in ISO 21930 allows organizations to create EPDs that reflect our product's environmental footprint accurately. It ensures that environmental impacts are evaluated consistently and transparently, enabling fair comparisons across products. By setting precise system boundaries, companies can offer stakeholders reliable data to make informed, sustainable choices. Thank you for joining us today. I hope this overview helps you better understand the importance of system boundaries in ISO 21930 and how they guide the creation of meaningful environmental product declarations. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.